Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we enable gesture navigation and guys how to use in the Realme phone. In this video I will show you guys how can you enable your gesture navigation. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So and first of all open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Guys click on your phone system setting. Guys click on system navigation. So once you can choose gesture navigation guys you want to enable, so you can enable from here guys. So your gesture navigation will enable and guys you can see you can use from here. Guys your button navigation will remove on your screen guys. So like that guys you can remove your button navigation, you can enable your gesture navigation guys. How can you use now I will show you. So when suppose you are in setting option and guys you are in display brightness settings. So once you want to back, so how to back guys, you can back from this right side and left side. And guys you open any app and guys you want to close app, so guys you do like that, close from here. So like that guys you can enable your gesture navigation and guys you can use in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.